Okay, so here we want to find where the derivative equal to 0 to find a critical number in order to find where the function is increasing, decreasing. So let's take a look. When we take derivative, use the chain rule, we get f prime x equals negative sine 4x over 3 times 4 thirds and equal to 0. So that means this part must be equal to 0. If this is equal to 0, and so here we want to find what the x equal to. Remember the x should be between 0 and 2 pi. And so now, what we try to do here, we want multiply 4 thirds to both sides the inequality. I mean not both sides, outside here and here and here. So what we have here, we got 4x over 3 greater than 0 less than 8 pi over 3. So notice 8 pi over 3 is 2 pi plus 2 pi over 3, so which is less than 3 pi. Okay, so now we assume t for convenience actually, and 4x over 3 is a t. So now we want to find a 0, so here sine t equal to 0 when t is greater than 0 less than 8 pi over 3, just like what we have here. And so when sine t equal to 0, we know that t must be integer number times pi. Okay, of course 0 included, but since our t is bigger than 0, so we don't include 0. So then what we have between 0 and 8 pi over 3, and let's take a look here. We have 0, pi, 2 pi, and 3 pi, but we don't reach 3 pi. We stopped here. So that means between this and to here, you only have 2 numbers make the sine t equal to 0, which is pi and 2 pi. So now, remember t is 4x over 3. And so equal to pi, or 4x over 3 equals 2 pi. So therefore, when we solve for x, so we get 3 pi over 4 or 3 pi over 2.